Why does your scanner show the P2440 engine code? What does it mean? P2440 is a diagnostic trouble code for secondary air injection system switching valve stuck open bank 1. This engine code indicates that the PCM has detected that the switching valve of the secondary air injection system is stuck open on bank 1. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty air switching valve. Check valve issues. Vacuum system issues. Wiring and connector problems. PCM issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Toyota, Lexus, Ford, and GM models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.